Dilipji, namaskar. I have a great respect for you, and I always introduce you as a scholarly artist because your works go beyond art. They have a scholarly depth in it. And you have been calling me several times to send a video message for the project which you have undertaken. But I was not willing to share a message because I don't consider myself to be any celebrity or any big person who can endorse anything which is really big, the kind of work which you are doing. So anyway, what prompted me today was the recent call which you made when I am in Europe, and today in Vienna I experience such a weather which takes me back to Kashmir. The kind of setting I experience here, the gardens which I see here, though it's a winter time, the water bodies, the setting which you can see really takes my memories back to. So I thought I should now at least share this message. I should not be unnecessarily keeping you waiting. So I'm really proud that you have taken up such a massive project, such a important project where you are, this song of return, to 100 cities. You have already worked with kids. You have already done some preliminary work, and I am sure this work will be a milestone in our efforts that we do to connect our kids, to connect our youngsters to their land, to their roots, to their culture. So I am sure this will go a long way in doing that, and I am always at your beck and call. You can always rely on my support, whatever best I can do, whatever little I can do. So I again wish you a great success in this project, and thank you.